Okay, I think if we let ourselves feel like we're coming out of the floor from the roll, that'll be a little bit more helpful. So whenever we think about moving in and out of the floor, if we're just going from our most vertical self right underneath us like an elevator, it is like doing, or the reverse, another elevator going up, it's like whole hamstring glute single leg squat situation. But if I'm coming out of this roll, I give myself a little bit more of a step forward, then I can move forward as I'm standing up, and I'm really letting the head go forward. If I show you the side view, the head go forward and up, which gives me just a little more support in like as I transfer weight, opposed to going and having to just hope that my leg is strong enough. Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner level class. I'm Arletta. I'm here with
Cody. I'm Justin.
We're some ground grooves facilitators, and we're so excited to have class with you today. Let's get started.